I can understand. Maybe could you come? I wanted to say, can I get the children tomorrow?
Can I get the children tomorrow?
Yes, madam. Okay. Wait. Sweetheart, could you calm down for a while? Where are you? I'm at the other police station. I know. Please calm down, sweetheart. You have to be the same. Calm down, enough. Calm down. Calm down, sweetheart. I'm gonna give you a statement. I'll call you back, sweetie, baby. Don't be this phone, sweetheart. You're the mother now. I'm gonna tell you. Wait, enough. Wait. Stop crying, sweetheart. Wait, baby. You're fine. Don't worry. Mommy will fight. Don't worry.
Mommy will fight.
You can just speak to Kuya Sean. Wait, anak. You wait there. Please hold the phone. You have to hide the phone.
Don't have the phone.
Maya, hide the phone. Don't finish it. I'll call you. Wait, anak. Wait. I'm sorry. I'll call you back, anak. I'll call you. I will do something. Don't worry. I'll do something. Don't worry.
Ngayon mga palangga, ayon sa ating source, kinuha ng statement yung mga bata. Tapos yung panganay na anak, ni-record niya sa kanyang Apple Watch. Yung mga iyakan na yan. Ng mga kapatid niya, apat sila eh. So ni-record. So anong nangyari, kinonfiscate ng police yung Apple Watch. Pero prior to that, patalino yung bata, yung panganay. Pinorward, ayon sa ating source, pinorward yung voice doon sa iPad ng kanyang kapatid. Kaso, kinonfiscate din. Pinagsulat daw, di ba, in-interrogate sila, tinanong sila, yung written statement is fabricated din. Iba, ayon sa ating source, yung kinuha na statement ng mga police, ng mga Turkish police, which is wala daw body cam, walang kasamang lawyer yung mga bata o psychologist. Kasi mga minor ito eh. 11, I think ang mga edad nila during that time, 11, 10, 8, 7. Yan yung mga edad nila. So yung written statement, ayon sa ating source, iba. Doon sa na-record na pag-iyak nila. Yung conversation. To. Magbabayad to si Lisa, mga palangga. Magbabayad si Bangag. Pero paano sila magbayad? Kayo. Sa pamamagitan ng taong bayan, babayad sila.